How to use cap station and cap ring. Place a piece of backing paper on the cap station. Open a sweatband inside the cap. Keep the brim up and put it on. This cap ring has a line in the middle. Make it a straight line with the center line of the cap. Snap the cap ring on. If the cap ring cannot snap on, unscrew this screw to make adjustments. Adjust to the right position and tighten the screw. This position requires the clips. It's the same on the other side. There are 2 snaps on the top and 1 on the bottom. Then click on the 3 snaps to remove the cap.